Hello everyone, a hearty welcome to Smiley Kids channel. In this video, we are going to deal with the topic properties of rational numbers. So let's get started. What is closure property? The property of an operation, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, in which the result obtained on performing the operation between any two rational numbers should be rational number only. I repeat, the property of an operation, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, in which the result obtained on performing the operation between any two rational numbers should be rational number only. Let us see whether closure property is satisfied for all the operations or not. Let's see each one in detail with examples. First, let's see closure property over addition. Here is one example. Add 8 by 9 and minus 12 by 9. So first let's add it. 8 plus minus 12 by 9, which is equal to 8 minus 12 by 9, which is equal to minus 4 by 9. 8 minus 12 is minus 4, which will be equal to minus 4 by 9. So, when we add 8 by 9 and minus 12 by 9, we got the result as minus 4 by 9. So, is minus 4 by 9 a rational number? Yes, it is a rational number because it is in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. So, minus 4 by 9 also belong to rational number family. So, closure property is satisfied over addition of rational numbers. That is, for any two rational numbers, let's take a by b plus c by d. The result obtained will always be a rational number. So, rational numbers are closed under addition. So, all rational numbers are closed under addition. We have filled the first block. Addition is satisfied. Closure property over subtraction. So, here is an example. Subtract 8 by 2 and minus 10 by 2. 8 minus of minus 10 by 2, which is equal to 8 plus 10 by 2, which is 18 by 2. We can simplify this. 2 times 1, 2 times 9, which is equal to 9 by 1 or 9. So, is 9 by 1 or 9 a rational number? Yes, it is. 9 by 1 or 9 is a rational number. So, rational numbers are closed under subtraction too. That is, for any two rational numbers, let's take a by b minus c by d is equal to, the result obtained will always be a rational number. So, rational numbers are closed under subtraction. We have successfully filled the second block too. That is, rational numbers are closed under subtraction. Closure property over multiplication. Here is an example. Multiply 7 by 5 and 5 by 8. How to multiply any two rational numbers? It's simple, right? Numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator, which is equal to 7 multiplied by 5 by 5 multiplied by 8, which is equal to 35 by 40. Can we simplify this rational number? Yes, we can. 5 times 7, 5 times 8, which is equal to 7 by 8. Is 7 by 8 a rational number? Yes, it is a rational number because it is in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. So, rational numbers are closed under multiplication as well. That is, for any two rational numbers, let's take as A by B multiplied by C by D, the result obtained must always be a rational number. So, rational numbers are closed under multiplication as well. We have successfully filled the third block as well. That is, rational numbers are closed under multiplication also. What about division? Closure property over division. Here is an example. Divide 7 by 5 and 0 by 8. 7 by 5 multiplied by 8 by 0. So first, take a look at this. Is it a rational number? No. According to rational numbers, Q should never be equal to 0. But here, Q is 0. So this is not a rational number. So, rational numbers are not closed under division. Even though you multiply these two rational numbers, you will not get a rational number. 7 times 8 is 56 by 5 times 0 is 0. 56 by 0. Q should never be equal to 0. So this is not a rational number. What can we conclude here? We can conclude that rational numbers are not closed under division. We have successfully finished the fourth block as well. That is, rational numbers are not closed under division. So this is the table which shows the closure property of rational numbers. It shows whether it satisfies or not. Addition, it is satisfied. Subtraction, yes. Multiplication, yes. But division, no. What is commutative property? The property of an operation, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, in which the result obtained on performing the operation between any two rational numbers should be the same, irrespective of the order of the numbers. I repeat, the property of an operation, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, in which the result obtained on performing the operation between any two rational numbers should be the same, irrespective of the order of numbers. Let's see whether commutative property of rational numbers satisfies for all the operations. Let's see each operation in detail with examples. Commutative property over addition. The property is A plus B is equal to B plus A. Here is our example. Add 8 by 9 and minus 12 by 9. 8 by 9 plus minus 12 by 9 is equal to 8 minus 12 by 9. 8 minus 12 is minus 4. Minus 4 by 9. So when we add A plus B, we got minus 4 by 9. What about B plus A? Let's solve and check. Minus 12 by 9 plus 8 by 9 is equal to minus 12 plus 8 by 9. Different signs, subtract. We get minus 4 by 9. So, when we added A plus B, we got minus 4 by 9. When we added B plus A, also we got minus 4 by 9. So, A plus B is equal to B plus A. So, rational numbers satisfy commutative property over addition. We have filled the first block, that is, rational numbers are satisfied under addition. Commutative property over subtraction. Subtract 8 by 2 and minus 10 by 2. Our property is A minus B is equal to B minus A. So let's apply the property and check whether it is satisfied or not. First, let's do A minus B, that is 8 by 2 minus 10 by 2, which is equal to 8 minus of minus 10 by 2, which is equal to 8 plus 10 by 2, which is 18 by 2. 2 times 1 and 2 times 9, that is equal to 9. So when we did A minus B, we got the answer as 9. What about B minus A? Will we get the answer as 9? Let's check it. B minus A will be minus 10 by 2 minus 8 by 2, which is equal to minus 10 minus 8 by 2. There are same signs, so you need to add and put the bigger number sign, which is equal to minus 18 by 2. 2 times 1, 2 times 9, which is equal to minus 9. So, when we did A minus B, we got the answer as 9. But when we are doing B minus A, we are getting the answer as minus 9. So, here we can conclude that A minus B is not equal to B minus A. So, rational numbers do not satisfy commutative property over subtraction. We have filled the second block as well, that is, rational numbers do not satisfy commutative property over subtraction. Commutative property over multiplication. Multiply 7 by 5 and 5 by 8. So the property is A multiplied by B is equal to B multiplied by A. So let's see whether this property is satisfied or not. First, let's do A multiplied by B, that is 7 by 5 multiplied by 5 by 8. Have to do multiplication of rational numbers? It's simple. Numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. Right? 7 multiplied by 5 by 5 multiplied by 8, which is equal to 35 by 40. So this is not our final answer. We can further simplify. 5 times 7, 5 times 8, which is equal to 7 by 8. So when we did A multiplied by B, we got the answer as 7 by 8. What about B multiplied by A? Will we get the same answer or not? Let's check it. B multiplied by A will be 5 by 8 multiplied by 7 by 5, which is equal to 5 multiplied by 7 by 8 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 35 by 40. Is this our final answer? No, we can further simplify. 5 times 7, 5 times 8, which is equal to 7 by 8. When we did A into B, we got the answer as 7 by 8. And when we did B into A, we got answer as 7 by 8. What does it conclude? It concludes that A into B is equal to B into A. That is, rational numbers satisfy commutative property over multiplication. We have filled the third block as well. That is, rational numbers satisfy commutative property over multiplication. Commutative property over division. The property is A divided by B is equal to B divided by A. Let's check whether this property satisfies or not. Our example here is divide 7 by 5 and 0 by 8. 7 by 5 multiplied by 8 by 0. So, here if you have observed, we are having the denominator as 0, which is not a rational number. A rational number is a number which is in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. Q is not equal to 0. That means here 0 should not be. So, this is not satisfied. Division is not satisfied. Though you calculate 7 into 8 will be 56 by 5 into 0 will be 0. Again here also we are getting the q value, that is denominator value as 0, which should not be. So this is not a rational number. What about b divided by a? That is 0 by 8 multiplied by 5 by 7. Will we get the same answer? 0 into 5 is 0 by 8 into 7 is 56. No, we are not getting the correct answer. Here we got 56 by 0, which is not a rational number. Here we are getting 0 by 56, which is the exact opposite. It's the reciprocal. So, here we are not getting the correct answer. A divided by B is not equal to B divided by A. That is, rational numbers do not satisfy commutative property over division. We have filled all the blocks. That is, rational numbers satisfy addition and multiplication but not subtraction and division. This is all about commutative property of rational numbers. What is associative property? The property of an operation, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, in which the results obtained on performing the operation between any three rational numbers is the same irrespective of grouping of numbers without changing the order. I repeat, the property of an operation, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, in which the results obtained on performing the operation between any three rational numbers is the same irrespective of the grouping of numbers without changing the order. Let us see whether associative property is applicable for all the operations or not. Let us see each operation in detail. Associative property over addition. Our property is A plus B plus C. B plus C will be in the brackets. So here is our example. 8 by 9 plus 2 by 9 plus 5 by 9. 2 by 9 plus 5 by 9 are in the brackets. So first we'll be solving 2 by 9 plus 5 by 9. We'll be solving the brackets part. 8 by 9 plus 2 by 9 plus 5 by 9 will be equal to 7 by 9. Now we'll be removing the brackets. 8 by 9 plus 7 by 9, which is equal to 8 plus 7 by 9, which is equal to 15 by 9. So when we did a plus b plus c, when b plus c is in bracket, we got 15 by 9. What about the next example, which is add 8 by 9 plus 2 by 9 plus 5 by 9. Here we are having a and b in brackets. So our property says that a plus b will be in bracket plus c. So first we'll be solving the brackets part. That is 8 by 9 plus 2 by 9. So first we'll be solving this brackets part, which is equal to 10 by 9. 10 by 9 plus 5 by 9 will be equal to 10 plus 5 by 9, which is equal to 15 by 9. When we did a plus b plus c, where a plus b is in bracket, we got 15 by 9. And when we see the first example, here also we got 15 by 9. That means associative property over addition is satisfied for rational numbers. We have filled the first block, that is rational numbers satisfy associative property over addition. Associative property over subtraction. Our property will be a minus b minus c, where b minus c is in brackets. So first we'll be solving the bracket part. 1 by 9 minus 2 minus 4 by 9 will be equal to minus 2 by 9. So this will be in brackets. Now we will be removing the brackets and solving. 1 by 9 minus 2 by 9, which is equal to 1 minus of minus 2 by 9, which is equal to 1 plus 2 by 9. 1 plus 2 is 3, is equal to 3 by 9. So we can further simplify this. 3 times 1, 3 times 3, which is equal to 1 by 3. Now what about this second part? That is a minus b minus c, where a and b are in brackets. So first we'll be solving the brackets part. 1 minus 2 will be minus 1. Minus 1 by 9 minus 4 by 9, which is equal to minus 1 minus 4 by 9. Here we are having same sign, so we will add and put the bigger number sign, which is equal to minus 5 by 9. So when we did the first condition, we got 1 by 3. And when we are doing the second condition, we are getting minus 5 by 9. So this says us that associative property over subtraction is not satisfied for rational numbers. We have filled the second block, that is rational numbers do not satisfy associative property over subtraction. Associative property over multiplication. In the first condition, we are having a multiplied by b multiplied by c, where b and c are in brackets. So first we will be solving the brackets part. 7 by 9 multiplied by 2 by 81, which is equal to 14 by 729. So when we are doing the first condition, we are getting the answer as 14 by 729. What about the second condition? Let's see. So the second property, the second condition will be a multiplied by b multiplied by c, where a and b are in brackets. So first we will be solving the brackets part. That will be equal to 14 by 81 multiplied by 1 by 9, which is equal to 14 by 729. So in the first condition we got 14 by 729 and in the second condition also we are getting 14 by 729. This means that associative property over multiplication is satisfied for rational numbers. We have filled the third block as well, that is, rational numbers satisfy associative property over multiplication. Associative property over division. So first condition will be A divided by B divided by C, where B and C will be in brackets. So first let's solve the brackets part. 5 by 9 divided by 1 by 9 multiplied by 9 by 4. Here 9 and 9 get cancelled, which will be equal to 5 by 9 divided by 1 by 4, which is equal to 5 by 9 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 20 by 9. Now let's see the second condition that says is that A divided by B divided by C, where A and B are in brackets. So first let's solve the brackets part. 5 by 9 multiplied by 9 by 1, which is divided by 4 by 9, which is equal to 45 by 9 divided by 4 by 9. So here we'll be doing 45 by 9 multiplied by 9 by 4. 9 and 9 get cancelled. We get the answer as 45 by 4. That means that associative property over division is not satisfied for rational numbers. We have filled the fourth block as well, that is, rational numbers do not satisfy associative property over division. What is distributive property? The distributive property of rational numbers states that any expression with three rational numbers A, B, C in the form A multiplied by B plus C is A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C, or A multiplied by B minus C is A multiplied by B minus A multiplied by C. I repeat, the distributive property of rational numbers states that any expression with three rational numbers A, B, C in the form A multiplied by B plus C is A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C, or A multiplied by B minus C is A multiplied by B minus A multiplied by C. First, let's see distributive property over addition. The property is A multiplied by B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. So let's apply the property and solve this example. A multiplied by B plus C is equal to AB plus AC, which is equal to 8 by 9 multiplied by minus 11 by 9 plus 8 by 9 multiplied by 1 by 9. So first we'll be solving what is in brackets, which is equal to minus 88 by 81 plus 8 by 81, which is equal to minus 88 plus 8 by 81, which is equal to, here we are having different signs, so we will be subtracting, which is equal to minus 80 by 81. So the answer is minus 80 by 81. When we solve this example, we got the answer as minus 80 by 81. So let's check. First, we'll be solving the brackets part. 8 by 9. Here we are having different signs. First, let's write it in this way, which is equal to 8 by 9 multiplied by. There are different signs, so we'll be subtracting, which is equal to minus 10 by 9. Now we'll be removing the brackets. 8 by 9 multiplied by minus 10 by 9. So now let's multiply 8 multiplied by minus 10 by 9 multiplied by 9, which is equal to minus 80 by 81. Both here are same. This is the distributive property over addition. Distributive property over subtraction. The property is A multiplied by B minus C is equal to AB minus AC. So let's apply the property and solve this example, which is equal to 8 by 2 multiplied by minus 1 by 2 minus 8 by 2 multiplied by 5 by 2. We'll be solving the brackets first, which is equal to minus 8 by 4 minus 40 by 4. Minus 8 minus 40 by 4. Here we are having same signs, so we'll be adding and putting the bigger number sign, which is equal to minus 48 by 4. We can further simplify this. 4 times 1, 4 times 12, which is equal to minus 12. By solving this, we got the answer as minus 12. Let's cross check. First, let's solve the brackets part. 8 by 2 multiplied by minus 1 minus 5 by 2. Here we are having same signs, so we can add and put the bigger number sign, which is equal to minus 6 by 2. Now we'll be removing the brackets and solving. 8 by 2 multiplied by minus 6 by 2. When we multiply this, we get the answer as minus 48 by 4. Now we will simplify this. 4 times 1, 4 times 12, which is equal to minus 12. If you have observed, we got the same answer. This is the distributive property over subtraction. Hope you all enjoyed this session. Before leaving, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, Smiley Kids. Thank you, friends.